Stay tuned to see the results of this wash and go. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wash and go with some new products from Camille Rose, so stay tuned. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a wash and go, and I am using 2 of the new products from the Honey collection from Camille Rose. So the first product I'm going to be using is the Honeycomb Curl Whip Texture Defining Super Cream. This is infused with nettle root. It says it's a defining super cream infused with honey and nettle, crafted to boost shine, eliminate frizz, and hold style in place. And this is a 12-ounce container. So I'm definitely excited about the 12 ounces. Excited to use this product. Product number 2 is the Spiked Honey Mousse 4-in-1 Styler, also infused with nettle root. It says it's a lightweight setting mousse infused with honey and nettle, crafted to smooth strands, boost shine, and set styles. And this is in the 8-ounce. So I'm going to be pairing the styler with the foam for a wash and go today. Stay tuned. So the Honey collection does come with the Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner, which I have used on my channel as a pre-poo. Not sure if I want to use it as a leave-in for the wash and go, because if you know anything about this Honey leave-in, she's thick. So this might be too much for a wash and go. So instead, I'm going to be using the Curl Love Moisture Milk as my leave-in conditioner. This one is very lightweight, great base for a wash and go. Let's get started. So the Honeycomb Curl Whip Texture Defining Super Cream is nettle root infused. It's a defining super cream infused with honey and nettle, crafted to boost shine, eliminate frizz, and hold styles in place. So let's check out the consistency of this cream. So it's nice and creamy. Smells like honey, cocoa. Smells good. So the Spiked Honey Mousse 4-in-1 Styler is nettle root infused also. It's a lightweight setting mousse infused with honey and nettle, crafted to smooth strands, boost shine, and set styles. All right, so let's check out what the mousse is like. Very foamy. Has that same honey cocoa smell. Okay, so for styling, I'm going to section my hair into 5 sections actually. Going to do 1 section in the front, 2 on the sides, and then 2 in the back. We have our 3 sections in the front, 2 sections in the back. And we're going to start with this back section. And again, I am using the Camille Rose Curl Love as my leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to apply this on all 5 sections first, and then go in and with styling. Okay, so now that we have applied the Curl Love Moisture Milk all over, we are ready for styling. So I'm just going to untwist the back section of my hair, because this is where we are going to be starting. So I'm going to go in with my spray bottle, which is filled with warm water. And I'm going to just re-wet this section of my hair. For a wash and go, it is best to work on wet or damp hair. Going in, rewetting that section. And we are going to start with the Honeycomb Curl Whip. So let's see how this goes. And I'm going to apply this to the entire section. So I'm going to use a generous amount. When this is thick, has that cocoa honey smell. Ooh, and it feels really good. Really good. Wow. This really feels good. And the curls are already popping. Okay, Camille Rose. I honestly love Camille Rose products. Products are so moisturizing. They don't have a ton of hold, but the moisture is there. Okay, so I did use my brush when I added the Curl Love Moisture Milk and Detangled. So at this point, I will only be using my fingers for styling. So I went ahead and raked that through. So I'm just going to section this back in half. And I'm going to add some more water. And then we're going to go in with the mousse. And we're gonna go in with about 5 pumps. Which might have been too much. And the mousse feels good also. These products have a lot of slip and they definitely get the curls hopping. So I have high hopes for this wash and go. High hopes. Add some more water. Five more pumps of our mousse. And we're just gonna rake the product through. Definitely have high hopes for this wash and go. So let me show you what the back section is looking like so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the sections and I'll be back. Okay, so here we are back with our wet results. Do a little spin. So far, so good. I'm going to show you how much I have used. So, didn't use much, still have a lot left, and I'm so excited about that because I definitely love this Honeycomb Curl Whip Texture Defining Super Cream. This stuff is bomb. And then paired with the the Spiked Honey Mousse 4-in-1 Styler, I really think that this combo is probably going to be my go-to wash and go for the spring summer, but I'll let you know when the results dry, so I'll be back. And here are my final results. Definitely loving this wash and go. It is so bouncy, a lot of volume, definition. Give you a little 360. Definitely feeling this wash and go. Again, I use the Honeycomb Curl Whip Texture Defining Super Cream and the Spiked Honey Mousse 4-in-1 Styler. These two together created this bomb, voluminous Day 1 wash and go. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.